Okay, in this video, we want to look at another JAMB or WAEC like questions. So, which is what we have on the board. So, we've solved the first one, and you can watch the video on the first one. But this is a little bit trickier than the first one because in the first one, the same amount is added to the value. I mean, the same amount is added to both variables, but in this one, only one variable has something added to it. So let's check. So water and kerosene are mixed in the ratio 3:5. If 8 liters of water is added, the ratio becomes 1:1. So how much kerosene is in the original mixture? So in this one, we are looking for the number of kerosene that is in the original mixture. But do not forget to get started in your solution. So you let both your initial ratios be having x. So let them have x. So let them have x. So you multiply them by x. So that means let them be 3x and 5x and 5x. So do not forget that this 3x stands for the water and the 5x stands for the kerosene. So that's the DPK, dual purpose kerosene. So now the ratios, do not forget 8 liters of water. If 8 liters of water is added, so that means for this one we'll be having plus 8. So plus 8 divided by 5x will be equal to 1:1. Then we'll solve it algebraically. So that becomes 3x plus 8 divided by 5x is equal to 1:1. So that's what is going to give us our x. So now let's go on. Let's proceed. So we cross multiply, just what we did in our previous video. So that means this multiply this and this multiply this. So that means we may write this first. So that becomes 5x is equal to 3x plus 8. So we'll collect the like terms. So because 1 multiplied by this, 1 multiplied by this give us the same thing. So we just have it on a linear equation line. So we'll collect the like terms. So that becomes 5x minus 3x is equal to 8. So this becomes 2. So that is 2x is equal to 8. And our x, we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2 by 2. So that means our x is equal to 4. Our x is equal to 4. So this is what we did, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, and this here 1, this here 4. So that's how we got our x to be 4. Now let's check. Let's check if what we have gotten is correct or wrong. And do not forget that the question even says that how much kerosene is in the mixture. So the kerosene that is in the mixture is going to be the kerosene in the mixture. The kerosene in the mixture will be 5 multiplied by 4. So because our x is 4, so that means 20 kerosene is in the mixture. 20 kerosene is in the mixture. So but to check, let's check if our answer is correct or wrong. So that means when 8 is added to the water, 8 liters is added to the water. So now let's check. So what fraction of the water do we have? So that we see if the ratio is going to give us 1:1. So for our water is going to be 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 4, whatever we get, we add it to 8. So let's see if it's going to give us 20. So because we are told that when 8 liters is added, it's the ratio becomes 1:1. So that is equal ratio. So what's 3 times 4? 12. 12 plus 8, that is 20. So that means we are correct. So we are correct. So you see that when you reduce this to the lowest term, you will arrive at 1/1, which is 1:1. So that means we are correct. We are correct. So the x here is 4, and the amount of kerosene in the mixture is 20, and the amount of water in the mixture is actually 22. No, it wasn't 20. The amount of water in the mixture was 12. So the amount of water in the mixture in the previous mixture was 12. So and makes it to be 1:1 is when 8 liters is added to it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and like the video. Thank you.